guys, and today, it's my first time playing Treasure Wars. It's kind of like Bed Wars, which I have played, but I couldn't find it because apparently someone deleted it. Well, it's fine. Punch you. Oh, I think we have to protect that. Yeah, probably. Item shop. Oh. So that gives us money. Okay, I know how this works now. I think what we need to protect is that. Anyone coming? What are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Oh my. Okay, I think I got that. No thanks. Okay, yeah, but we do need some faster. Chorus plants. Oh. That'd be useful. Give me the money. Well, actually, I'm buying stuff, so. What I want is. Thank you. Weapons. Okay. Oh, and here they come. Wait a minute. You're not on our team, are you? How come I can't kill him? I think you have to destroy the minions first. No. Kill him. And he gets a diamond. What the? Okay. He's playing smart. Oh, he's gone. Good. Well, he died. Someone's trying to get our big treasure. Oh, yeah, like I said, they have to destroy I think they have to destroy all the minions. I think that's... Okay. Pretty sure someone's upgraded this. Hello? Why are you in a big rush? There's no reason. Oh, I was gonna get that too. Ow. It didn't do anything, so I'm fine. Oh, and we also made a bridge. That's nice. They're gonna come. They're gonna come. I know what's gonna happen. Okay, I ran over. I got some diamonds. Red's treasure. Thank goodness. They were the one that was trying to attack us the whole time. Wait. I think there's like... Wait, how many teams are there? I have no idea. Well, at least I can get a diamond sword. That'll be a big upgrade. It's made of... Oh, never mind. Weapon... Oh, iron sword. It's fine. It's better, though. So, I'm just gonna drop this on the ground for one of the teammates to take it. And they'll take it eventually. Thank you. Thank you. They're not coming. Wait a minute, the minion was destroyed? Oh no. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, they're gonna come for this one. They're coming. They're coming. You got some emeralds? Good. Okay, yep, go. Anyway, never mind. I'm gonna fight them. I was gonna go destroy some of their stuff. Oh, they're going up. Yes, they fell. Thank you. Ugh. Is anyone coming? No, it doesn't look like it. Oh, never mind. isn't good. Hey, buddy. How's it going? This is an epic battle. I heard fighting. I hear fighting. Do you want to fall into the void? I don't even know why I just used that. It's fine. It doesn't matter though, so. Any red teamers? No, it looks like we're good. Anyway, I think I'm gonna attack them, so. Yeah. There was a whole way under there the whole time. It's fine. I have 4 diamonds. Oh, they're gonna take them, aren't they? Are both their minions destroyed? No, but both of ours are. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. They're coming. Woo! Why can I not get through? Oh, I see you. Don't flirt at me. Stop it. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, they're coming. They're coming, Bowser. Hey. Oh, they actually got someone? We don't like that. We don't like whenever they do that. We don't like that. We don't like that. What are they doing? Has half health. No. No. Oh no, I'm gonna run. Treasure destroyed. No, 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 no. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out. Okay, now that's a lot of diamonds. Oh no, not that guy. I gotta fight though. Gotta be a man. Oh, it was a good round. Yeah, I'm on fire. It's starting. It started. Hey, Sonic. I know you just got that skin from the marketplace. And I made this skin. Okay, we better start. Okay. It's a nice start. Oh, diamond. Someone else can have that. Let's go. Okay, anyway. Well, there's an emerald. I'll take that. 2 emeralds. Thank you. Oh, and there's a red teamer. I have an emerald. Help me. Yep, he can get him. Okay, yeah, I kind of have something important. I'm just gonna put this in the team chest so anyone can use it. I'm not gonna be greedy. I might have to start being greedy soon, though. It's because they don't know that I'm actually recording them. I'm gonna put this in the team chest. Summoner was upgraded. Perfect. There you go. You get that. No red. You're doing okay. Just okay. That's all we are doing. Gimme some wool planks. I'll be good. Now, can someone at least try to protect this? Yeah, no one is protecting the money. Oh, I know, that's... Oh, I guess you're using computers, so that's why. This run, I'm actually going to try to do something. Not just stay around and do absolutely nothing. Okay, first step to get chain armor. next step to get some tools. And I'm ready. Let's go. Anyone can take those emeralds I put in the chest, so yeah. It's a take what you want chest. And only it's a team chest, so only the teammates can. Okay, I'm fine. Yeah. Sometimes good things don't always happen. Oh, and I still have chain armor. Good. Okay. This time I'm not going to be a noob, which I kind of always am, so that's going to be hard. Okay. Well, I'm not a noob at Minecraft. I'm just a noob at this. Oh, you have to jump that? What is even the point? Just for fun? Sure. I like fun things. Only whenever they're fun. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna do that. You're gonna do that. Oh, there's a red teamer. Minion destroyed? Oh, what's that? Did they pearl? Must have. I accidentally got a diamond. Oh, they're gonna get our next minion. No. No. Don't touch him. No, how did I not? Yeah, good job. Get him. Go. Oh, it was the loot. It's not that good anyway. Okay, let's get this guy. Let's team up. Okay, you guys can. I'm kind of scared. Oh, this guy's gonna get wrecked. With all of us on the team. Oh, yeah. Minion destroyed. Oh, no. Protect the main thing. Protect it. Protect it at all costs. It's the thing that keeps us alive. Oh, use some kind of like granite. Thank you. Whoop. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Okay, I should stop doing my bad impressions. Oh, I see one. Don't think I don't see you. Because I do. Okay, I'm going to get tons more blocks because I'm going to need them. Oh, you got some snowballs? Can I buy anything else special? No, they all cost some other stuff. Thank you. I'm just gonna drop. Anyone can take that. Except for you. You're a noob. Who's doing that? I don't even know what that noise is. Yeah, build the walls. Are you fighting? Yep, there's... Oh, did you kill him? Good. I'm gonna go get some combat. I do not even care anymore. Boom, boom, bang. Okay, let's go. Yep. Haven't spent too much time messing around. Thank you. Oh. Just one more. Give me one more, please. Oh. Gotta get here. Then I'm gonna fight him. Oh, diamond summoner? Thank you. Gotta go get an iron sword. I mean, it's an iron... Okay, good job. I don't even know if he even did anything. I just said good job. Good job for standing around and doing... You might have done something. Diamond. Oh, yeah. You're gonna kill him, okay? I believe in you. And an iron sword's an iron sword, so I'm gonna grab that. I'm just gonna drop that on the ground, just in case someone wants it. Red, it doesn't even matter if red team takes it. I don't even care at this point. I'd carrot. Okay, I should stop. I thought you were the guy from last time. How did I not hit you? Okay, diamond. Oh, he just instantly fell. Okay, let's go get some. Come on, we're all sticking together. We're the chain squad. I have chain armor if you didn't know. I hear bubbling. I don't really like it. Oh, I see them. How do I hear them? Well, I only have one emerald, but an emerald's an emerald. And whenever bad guys chase, you have to defeat them because they're gonna destroy your thingy. There they come. Oh, they're coming the sneaky path. Oh no. Guys, this is really bad. They're all headed for us. Come on. Epic parkour moments. Sticky solution. More like a stinky solution. Okay, that was my own teammate. They're coming. They are coming. I saw... There's one. He's gonna destroy it. No. Get out. No, no, no. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh, he's out. Okay, that's good. But there's one. Hello, Zorpog. Zorpog. It's a poglin. Get back here. Oh, he's gone. Okay, someone got him. Thank goodness. I would have got that hit, but the chest was in the way of my hit. Can't get in the way of my hits. Okay, now where are these losers? They're kind of winning, but wait, no, 100 out of 100. That doesn't make any sense. That's how I like it. Or no, you're not taking my emeralds tonight. How did I not? Okay, this hitting must be messed up or something. Yes! Good job. That was epic. I need to get myself a bow soon. One. Thank you. So where that takes emeralds to make a diamond sword. Take to make emeralds to make an emerald sword. Wait a minute. Are we pillaging them? Let's go. We have like 14 minutes left. That's a lot. Come on. Well, until you use up all that time wasting thing. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go get me a diamond sword. I need a diamond sword. I don't know why. I'm just gonna lose it as soon as I get it. I feel more comfortable with a diamond sword. I'm pretty good at PvP. Not the best. No, not the best at all. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go get this diamond sword, and then I'm gonna go try to tackle them like a man. Wait a minute, I can buy something special. I have 1 diamond. Oh, 1 ender pearl. Oh. They cost nothing for diamonds? I'm gonna get me a diamond sword. Thank you very much. Someone can take that. Okay. Yeah, someone just dropped down on the ground. I'm just not gonna notice that. Hey. You're actually opening it up. Okay. I will be the defender. The very bad defender that gets not... He doesn't get paid enough. That's me. Where are these guys? Oh, you're not gonna hit me. You can't just hit me and get away with it. Okay, should we get it? Let's get her. Let's go. All this moments. Save it up for nothing. Oh, I don't think so. Do they even have... Yeah, they have their minion destroyed because there's not a little dot. Oh. Okay. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was just a teensy bit wrong about them. They're not little girls. Okay. How should I explain this? How should I put this in a nice way? I don't know. I don't even know what I'm putting in a nice way. 2 minutes till sudden death. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna build. No, I'm not gonna build. I think. Oh, sudden death. Oh. Then I'm gonna go here. Okay, I'm terrible. Thank you. 9 emeralds. 9. Okay, I'm gonna get like full diamond. Yeah, I'm gonna get full. I'm gonna get ripped. Gonna get ripped. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get strong. I heard chewing. Who is chewing? Anyone here? No. Wait a minute, I just noticed I can buy golden apples. Hey, that's good. Oh, diamonds. I'll take that. And I'll take that. And that. And that. And that. Okay, fine. Forget what I said. I'm okay. Anyway, as soon as they come, I'm gonna... Yeah. Treasure destroy... Oh, it's sudden death! Oh, and I have a TNT, though, so... I have a block destroyer. What names come up with... What names are they even coming up with now? Block destroyer. That wasn't a good idea, but it's fine. Okay. They're coming. This block destroyer is going to destroy their face. It's not even a joke. I feel like I'll take another enchanted apple. Golden apple. Enchanted apples are way too... Oh, yeah, they take 5 diamonds. Yeah, I forgot about that. Might be a little too much for my liking. Where are these guys? Come on, fight us like a man. There's probably only like 2 red people. Yeah, there's only like 2. Wait, there's 3? Nice! I thought there was gonna be like 500. Like, hey, everything's just gonna be fun. Yeah, and they're all gonna destroy me. Yeah. Okay. I might be able to deal with them if they have weak armor. Well, if they have full diamond, I would not like that. Watch my step. Watch you on my step, yo. Oh, no. What have I got myself into? I can't turn back now. 14 diamonds. Well, can't turn back now. Oh, they're fighting. I'm gonna go help my team. We have 9 teammates. They only have 3. Yeesh. Just died. All this stuff. Diamond. Oh, never mind. It's all useless. Wait a minute. No. Yikes. I'm getting out of here. Oh no. No. Run. Are they even coming? Hey, yo, bro. Where's the diamond people? Oh, they're trying to shoot me. Oh, let's get him, boys. Let's get him, everyone. Let's go and have some fun. Yeah, they're going to kill him without me. I know what's going to happen. It always happens. Sweet victory. Yeah. This one's going to have to be short. I'm only going to record on the extreme part since this video is so lame. Very, very lame. Ew. Where's your... Never mind. You look... Who is that I see? You're not allowed here. You are not allowed here. Nice. Hi, Herobrine. Wow, we have the Herobrine on our team? We're good. Minion destroyed. Who did it? Okay, I know it was one of you. Oh, blue teamer. Another Tails? I thought Tails was on our team. He switched. Auto Bridger? 10 blocks. I can get a diamond sword. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Now I feel... Wait. Now I feel safe. Oh, no. I see a blue name tag. Oh, no. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy boy. gonna die. Well, how did I just not hit him? Die. Die. Dead. Thank you. You guys didn't even help me. That's the joke. That's the joke. You guys are useless. You didn't help me. You guys are rude. Okay. I'm running to the base because apparently he sees another one. Okay, it's coming. Oh, never mind. I guess they're just going to finish it off. It's so easy. This guy has no armor. Good job. By the way, that's a really weird skin choice, but I'm not arguing. Okay, I'm going to go in the wild and try to fight some people. See someone. The wild player. Okay, that loot was trash. Oh, it's you! It's that guy again. The guy who always comes to us for help, even though he's on the different team. Doesn't make any sense. Die. I'm gonna get you. I am gonna get over here. You're not gonna accomplish anything. Minion destroyed. You know, I really don't care right now because this guy's trying to be smart. Oh, I gave him a boost. Oh no. Killed him. Okay, thanks, Alex. Wait a minute. That guy's auto bridge. He's auto bridging. I'm playing. Oh no.
I worked it so hard.
I ate a gapple. It's fine though.
The whole couch is covered in Minecraft.
Okay. Where'd he go?
The Minecraft blocks, and I can play Minecraft.
I just murdered that guy. They never learn. Wait a minute. Did I just see another one? He must have pearled away. But where? I don't really care. Thank you for the loot. I'll take that. Thank you. Just sorting out all my stuff. Too much of it. Oh, hi. Oh, I just destroyed him. Now this is basically just a killing montage. Oh, that was close. I almost fell right off. Like this. Yeet. I'm kidding. Okay. Yeah, that guy definitely had like an auto bridger. He was just going bloop. Yeah, they're gonna do that over and over, so I'm gonna destroy that. And the last block. Ow. It's fine though. Wait a minute. Did I just see a... No. Ow. Ow. Oh no. They're coming. Ah! They're coming. I don't think they know that you have to destroy the minions before you do the thing. Oh, thank you. Wait. Oh, I need that. Okay. I thought you were a different, not my team guy. Hey. Someone's in there. They're like, oh, you need to destroy the minions, don't you? Oh, let's get him. Come on, boys. Let's go. Treasure destroyed. No. Ow. I'm gonna die. Oh my. No. It's not gonna end like this. No. It's not gonna end like this. Final kill. Wait a minute, I'm the final kill? I have to run away. I have to be a country boy. Okay, now I can't pause it now because anything could happen. Someone could pearl to me. I don't like that's ever gonna happen. Okay. No. I'm so used to them being the... Okay, I thought I didn't have blocks for a second. That would have been stinky poo. Oh! I have to. If I want to win, you know what's gonna happen. Please stay away from me. Oh yeah, epic stuff. No, I'm just gonna keep on bouncing around like a balloon, like a buffoon. Woo! Thanks for the boost. No, I slowed down. Never slow down. They're coming. The monsters are coming. I knew it. No! I'm so bad. Yeah, that's how bad I am. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Wait, there's another red? Wow. Okay, well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.